So those are the major industry updates for this month. I hope this session is helpful to you to have a good understanding of the drone industry, and pick a direction you like to have. I always like to say the shortest distance from a point A to point B is never a straight line. Right. We started from simply drone filming, building drones for drone filming, and now we're ending up in training and research and development using all different types of drone technologies. So I hope this gives you a good idea of what you can actually do with drones. Pick a direction that interests you, whether or not that's gonna be the end application you're going for. It may not be, but I hope you enjoyed the process of leveraging different technologies, improving the workflow, and delivering better results. That's ultimately what the purpose of using drones or using any new technologies is all about. If you have any other questions, please join back on a monthly basis. We have this live webinar on a monthly basis, and we like to bring you different updates of the industry. And if you like to stay posted, check out our social media. We're very active on Instagram as well as YouTube, and we do attend different industry community groups to share about industry updates. The last one we did actually was just this week with Drone DJ on the new release of DJI's Air 2S. So if you haven't seen the video yet, check out Drone DJ's YouTube channel. It was a live stream with us and several other industry professionals.